In this video, I'll show you how to connect and how to use your USB mouse with your PS5. Could be the PS5 original one or the slim version. So let's get started. So first of all, take your mouse. If you have the original PS5, you're gonna see the USB port, the type A on the front. You simply need to connect it. It's very important you connect these accessories in the front, not in the on the ports on the back. If you have the newer PS5 Slim, you won't have a USB type A port like I do here. You're only gonna have USB type C, but don't worry. You can get one of these adapters, which is USB type A to USB type C, and it should work. I'll put a link in the description if you want to get one of these. Anyway, once you have connected the mouse, if it has RGB, you should already see the lights. This is a good sign. Take your PlayStation controller, press the PS button. Okay, you should have the menu down below. Go down and select accessories. You see, it's this one, accessories. Click on it, and once you're there, you should select USB mouse. Click X, click mouse settings. And here you'll be able to change a few things. So first of all, if you're left-handed, you need to change type. Okay, you can change left-handed, right-handed here. And pointer speeds, by default, it's normal. But if you prefer having a faster action when you move the mouse, select fast instead. Or slow if you find it too quick. Anyway, I'll keep it to normal. But once you do this, this is it. You can go ahead, open your games that supports mouse, because not all games do. And if you're in the menu like over here, the mouse won't be very useful because it cannot do anything. You absolutely need to be in an application or a game that actually supports the mouse usage. But overall, this is it. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video.